I am Dr. S. Saraswati, working as an assistant professor in PG Department of Commerce, Sri Kalishwari College, Autonomous, Sivagasi. Today we are going to discuss about queuing theory. Queue is the main enemy for efficiency and waiting is the enemy for utilization. In our day-to-day life, we wait for doctors, railway station, bank counters, cinema hall, repairing car pages, and government offices. To reduce the waiting time of an employees, queues were formed. In mathematical terms, if the number of customers are more than the number of counters, then automatically queues are formulated. Number of customers are called as arrived rate and number of counters are called it as service rate. These are the few examples for biggest queues in the life of an employee. The life of a people. A mathematical model to find out solution for different problems relating to queue or waiting of the customers. It is called it as queuing theory. The objective of queuing theories is minimize the waiting time cost, minimize the service time cost, and optimum balance between time cost as well as service cost. Customers. The key words in queuing theories are customers. Customers are those persons who are waiting on the queue. Second one is service center and waiting line. The third one is waiting line. Service center means from where the customers are going to receive the services, and waiting line means before the customer how many members are waiting in the queue. In addition to waiting line, customers, the time spent by a customers in a system, queue length, number of customers in a systems are also key terms used in queuing theory. These terms are used for answering or solving the problems. The very important three terms are reneging, jockeying, and parking. Reneging, jockeying, and parking, which are the key terms used in queuing theory. Then priorities, queuing system, service rate, arrival rate, service rate, etc. Next, we are going to see about the queuing system. The queuing system totally consists of 5 steps. First and foremost one is arrival of the customers. The second one is formulation of queue. Next, to formulate the queue, the customers are insisted to wait on a queue. The waiting time should be minimized. The problem is discussed to minimize the third step, third process in queuing theory. The fourth one is getting services. After getting services from service center, all the customers automatically departure from the service center. Departure from service center are the last and fifth step in queuing system. The service process which we are going to study is one queue, one service station, where in certain cases one queue and more service stations are also possible. In case of multi-speciality hospitals, in first step we meet the general doctor. In second and third, go by step by step, we can meet the experts or specialists, and after getting the results, we exist from the service station, which is the best example for one queue several service station. Several queues, one service station. This also possible, which is in case of temple, there are so many queues, men, aged person, women's, disabled, etc. But the place, the services is only one. This is the model for several queue and one service station. After getting the services, தரிசனம் முடிச்ச உடனே நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிருவோம், we exist from the place. We enter into the மூலஸ்தானம் in different ways. ஸ்பெஷல் டிக்கெட்டு, நார்மல் டிக்கெட்டு, வெயிட்டிங் லைனு இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. பட் த காட் இஸ் த சேம் ஃபார் ஆல் த பீப்புள். அங்கே முடிச்சுட்டு ஒரே வழியில தான் நம்ம வெளியே வருவோம். Then several queues, several service stations. It is example for cinema theater, ticket counter centers, and railway station ticket counter centers. Multi-stage channel facilities. In this, the queue is go compulsorily by passing so many service centers. Thank you. Today we